A car nowadays is no longer expensive than what it was before, because when you want a luxury interior, a fascinating exterior, you just go to the Chinese rather than the Japanese, the Koreans, or the Europeans. Here today we have the 2024 Cherry Tigo 8 Pro 1.6 TGDI Executive DCT. Well, from the exterior here, you can see that this car is well made. From the exterior here, here at the back, you do see that this light bar over here, it really looks nice. The rear, 10 out of 10. Tigo 8 Pro over there. What I really love about it is that this car, it is a 7-seater. I'm sure you're wondering, hey Vinny, why are you reviewing 2024 models now and we're at 2026? Well, the reason is simple. A car when it's new, you don't know what is gonna fail, especially from the Chinese markets. I'm not saying that their cars fail or they are bound to fail. All that I'm saying is that there is a story to tell here with these cars, especially how they perform in the markets, in the used markets. To be honest with you, I really do understand why most South Africans are really buying these cars. It's because for the money, the technology, the features, the looks, you are really getting more for your money. You know, brands like Toyota, for example, brands like BMW, brands like Mercedes Benz, they are really expensive for most South Africans. And now, because we have the Chinese markets here in South Africa, this market, it is good. I really do love it, especially because now everything is expensive, and this is where this Chinese car really thrive, because no one wants to spend a lot of money on a car. You do know that we have to buy groceries, to build houses, to take our kids to schools, so it really does make sense for you to get a car that does not cost money a lot. If I did not tell you that this car is 2 years old, you would not believe me because of the condition. One stereotype that we have is that we think Chinese cars, they will fail, or after 2 years everything will be falling apart. Well, everything here, even the infotainment, it really looks good. This car looks very, very well maintained. And the good thing about these cars is that in 10 years time, if they really prove themselves or they are really capable, to be honest, man, I have no doubt that we will end up buying the Chinese cars because of the price range, right? So here you do get 1.6 liter turbo charged petrol engine. The engine here, it produces 145 kilowatts and 290 newton meters of torque. So now this car produces more kilowatts than your Polo, the Polo TSIs. It produces more power. Well, not really compared to the Havali 6 GT, because that one produces 155 kilowatts, but the power here is decent. It's more than decent. And now the transmission here, this car uses a 7-speed dual clutch automatic, well known as DCT. This car, you'll get 360-degree camera, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, large infotainment screens, digital instrument cluster, and also the finishes here on the doors. The door panel, it really looks nice, to be honest. Here you get premium looking cabin for less of what you're gonna spend on Mercedes Benz or BMW. Well, the reason I make a reference point to BMW and also Mercedes Benz is because those ones, they have a lot of heritage, they are well known. Those are the cars that whenever you buy them, you know you have made it in life. However, this one is not far from it. Here you do get more storages, as you can see, two cup holders over there, charging ports there. You also do get an wireless charging port there. So now the downside is that if you have a wife here and you want to touch her thigh while driving, well, hey, there's gonna be not possible because of the way that this car is designed. Well, here at the back, you will be happy to know that you can fit 3 adults here. I sat here and the leg room is enormous. It's very enormous. And I do forget that the steering wheel here, it really looks nice. The premium finishes here, and also just the build quality, I'm giving it a 10 out of 10. Well, let's come to the warranty and service plan. Well, as a first time buyer, right, you'll get a 5-year or 150,000 kilometer vehicle warranty, a 10-year engine warranty for the first owner, and also a 5-year service plan? Well, because you're going to be buying this car second hand, it means that that 10-year engine warranty, you will no longer have it. So that is the downside when you buy this car second hand. So if this car fails, the engine fails, you are on your own, baba. Now, another thing that we know about Chinese cars is that the fuel economy, it's usually high. Chery claims 7 liter to 7.2 liter per 100 kilometer, but in real world, you are going to expect figures from 8 to 9 liters per 100 kilometers on the highway, and also 9.5 to 10.5 kilometers in a mixed driving. So that is what you are going to expect. However, for the money, it is really worth it. Now, another aspect is that when you buy a car, a used car, please check the dealer network, because if something fails on the car, you are going to want to take it to the dealership at some point. And if it's far, imagine now traveling to Polokwane or Lestrigat, it's gonna be a costly exercise. Now, here you do get Sony speakers, which I really do love. I tested the speakers, my man. These speakers, they really make some noise. Now here you can see that when the third row of seats is up, you do get a compromised boot space. So the third row of seats is usually good for kids. Do not put an adult at the back, they will really suffer. Well, another feature that I really like is that, yeah, you see that feature there, I really enjoy it a lot. Now this car, Toyota is selling it for 500,000 rand for a 2024 model, and this car is definitely overpriced. And this tells you that, even a used Chinese car, the used market, it is really warming up to it. Well, here's my overall impression. You should definitely buy it if you have the money. Definitely buy it. If you've made it this far, thank you guys for watching. Stay safe, take care.